the role of clergy is becoming more and more demanding and more challenging, and clergy are feeling more stressed and stretched in today's church than they perhaps ever have been. One of the great things about this ministry conference and looking at well-being is the opportunity, to see what dioceses are already doing to support their clergy with well-being, but also to look at what plans are in place provincially to support clergy well-being in all the various different kinds of roles that clergy inhabit. And we've heard some really exciting and positive things this morning about pastoral supervision that's being put in place, some of the courses that St Padans are planning to roll out in the next 12 to 18 months, and also some of the more general things that dioceses have already put in place that we can all learn from, so that we're sharing good practice across the province. So I'm really hopeful. We won't be able to address everybody's concerns or issues immediately, and there will always be things that fall between the stools, but I'm really hopeful that we've got a raft of things now that we're putting in place that will enable clergy to feel more supported and to look after themselves, and for us to look after one another.